It's taken more than 2 years to reach New Zealand, but the Forestry spec Doosan 380LL swing machine is a very welcome arrival on our shores. Unveiled back in 2016, the 380LL was only available in the US at first, and it took a fair amount of persuasion to get the Korean factory to agree to sell it here. But now it's been added to the local lineup. The 52-tonne Doosan provides another option for forestry crews looking for a machine with the power, performance and specification to process or grapple big trees straight out of the factory. Those attributes are precisely what appealed to Flight Logging when it decided to purchase the very first 380LL to arrive here. The full Forestry spec drew the attention of Dave and Hapita Flight because they didn't have to wait months for the machine to be rebuilt for the bush. It just needed the addition of a corner post by the bottom of the boom and the installation of its existing Southstar 630 processing head, and it was ready to go. This is Flight Logging's first brand new processing base, and it's helping boost production as well as improve safety by removing people from the ground. Among the features of this machine are its very long boom and arm, which reduces the need for the machine to move around the skid to pick up stems and stack logs. It's among the longest of any processor we sample, but there is an 8-tonne counterweight to ensure it's well balanced when grabbing a stem at full stretch. It also has a new hydraulic system developed in conjunction with Rexroth. It's an on-demand system that supplies more hydraulic flow according to the demands of the operator. The harder you push those controls, the higher the performance. The 380LL won't bottom out with 720 litres of hydraulic piston power behind it. That's great for dealing with the big trees found in the forest to the south of Turangi in the central North Island, where the average pea size is around 3 tonne. The pimped-up hydraulics allow the Southstar head to drive those big stems through the rollers and knives with ease. At the heart of the big new Doosan is a new 5-cylinder Scania engine that kicks out a very impressive 313 horsepower from its 9.3 litre capacity. It's a Tier 4 final unit that demands the addition of AdBlue every few days to maintain its environmental credentials, but the benefit is that fuel consumption is low for such a big machine at under 30 litres per hour. With a commanding view of the skid site from the Forestry spec cab on top of a tall riser, the operator is in a great space, and there will soon be a rear entry option for the cab for additional safety.